The average revenue tells us how much revenue of a firm received for the typical unit. The same formula, average revenue is equal to total revenue divided by quantity. All right. So if can I put total revenue as P into Q? Just expand it. In that case, here Q cancel. AR is equal to P. So this is the always case because it is a natural formula is like that. So average revenue is equal to market price. All right, everyone? Guys, you understand?
Yes.
Marco, Priscillo, Oliver.
Yes, sir.
Good. So in perfect competition, average revenue equals to the market price of the product. I just put price into quantity, the formula for total revenue, quantity cancels, price. So in perfect competition, because of the formula, nature of the formula is that average revenue is equal to price. What is the marginal revenue? What is the definition of marginal revenue? Change in revenue divided by change in units sold. Whenever we talk about the revenue, it's always units sold. Not unit produced, unit sold. All right. So change in total revenue divided by change in quantity is equal to marginal revenue, which means how much revenue we will earn by selling one unit. Marginal mean additional one unit sold. How much is the revenue? So for competitive firm, average revenue and marginal revenue equals to price. Amazing. So that is the foremost one condition for the revenue structure of competition is that average revenue is equal to price and also marginal revenue is equal to price, which means AR is equal to MR is equal to price. So that is the revenue structure of revenue structure of competition. All right, AR is equal to MR is equal to. All right, everyone. So we know that AR is equal to MR. We saw that total revenue divided by quantity is the price. P and Q divided by Q. Answer is P. But how MR is equal to P? That should be the question. Let's see that. We have quantity, we have price, we have total revenue. How total revenue is collected or calculated here? Price into quantity. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 8, 48. How we calculate the average revenue? Simple. Total revenue divided by quantity. 6 by 1, 6. 18 by 3, 6. 36 total revenue divided by quantity. 36 divided by 6, answer is 6. 48 by 8, answer is 6. So we have confirmed that in competition, average revenue is equal to price. So you see that average revenue is 66666, price is 66666. All right, but is that equal to marginal revenue? How marginal revenue is calculated? Change in total revenue 4 minus 6 divided by change in quantity 2 minus 1, right? This is 6 by 1. Answer is 6. Now this 6 is coming from change in total quantity 30 minus 24 divided by 5 minus 4. Answer is 6. Now this 6 is coming from 42 minus 36 divided by 7 minus 6. Answer is 6 by 1. So you notice something here? That price is equal to AR is equal to MR. 6 is equal to 6 is equal to 6. This one is price, this one is added revenue, and this one is marginal revenue. So the revenue structure, so whenever you see this kind of condition where P is equal to market price, P means market price, not profit. So some students, they confuse it with the profit. Whenever I write down profit in PPT, I will write down profit like this, profit. This P means market price, not profit. Okay, so don't get confused. So market price always equal to average revenue and always equal to MR. So this is the condition for competitive firm. So guys, you understand? The revenue
Yes.
structure of a firm in competitive market is that price is equal to AR is equal to MR. So if you understand that, answer this question. So those who are watching online, please pause the video and try to guess the answer based on the scenario here. Suppose Mittal Steel Corporation is a competitive market. So first of all, you try to find out which market we are talking about. Competitive market. Okay. Whenever you heard the competitive market, what is the revenue structure? Revenue structure is price is equal to AR is equal to MR. Okay, now read that. So Mittal Steel Corporation in competitive market produces and sells 8 metric ton of steel quantity and has a marginal revenue of 8. MR is equal to 8. What would be the firm's total revenue if it instead produces and sold 8 metric ton, 4 metric ton of output? So you need to find out total revenue when quantity is 4. All you need to find out price. So what would be the price? What would be the price? When you multiply with 4, answer going to be either 4, either 8, either 32, either 64. So what is the answer here?
Is it A?
We need to find out total revenue.
D.
Total revenue is A. You said A. Okay.
D.
How much?
The answer is C.
We have C. Okay. We need to find out total revenue. Guys. Ella?
I'm not sure.
So if you want to find out the total revenue, what is the price?
A.
What is the price here? We have MR MR is 8. And this market is competitive market. In competitive market, price AR and MR is the same. MR is equal to 8. It means AR is equal to 8 and price is equal to 8. 8 multiplied by 4. What is the answer? Sufyan, now you understand?
D.
It is.
Yes, sir.
It is. So whenever you read the question, find out that which market you are talking about, right? And write down the condition. Competitive market, this is the revenue structure. So you have given market revenue, you have given the marginal revenue, 8, that must be the price, that must be the AR, average revenue, and that must be the market price. If the quantity sold is 4, 8 multiplied by 4, answer is 32. Right? Let's move now. I hope this time you have a correct guess. Suppose a firm in a competitive market receives 1,000 in total revenue. So we have PR and the market is competitive market. Write down the condition. Revenue structure is AR is equal to MR is equal to C. Total revenue is 1,000.